Welcome to our video on the 7 purple foods to stop high uric acid. Struggling with high uric acid can lead to painful gout flare-ups and other frustrating health issues. But what if the answer to relief lies in adding more vibrant purple foods to your plate? In today's video, we'll reveal 7 incredible purple foods packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrient-rich options don't just add color to your meals. They can actively help lower uric acid levels and improve your overall health. Curious to see which purple foods made the list? Let's dive in and find out. Starting our countdown at number 7 are purple grapes. Grapes are packed with a compound called resveratrol, which can help keep your uric acid levels in check. Resveratrol is an antioxidant that can fight inflammation and help lower uric acid levels. So how does it work? As you eat your grapes, the resveratrol gets absorbed into your bloodstream. In the bloodstream, it helps your body get rid of extra uric acid more easily. Its key role is to support your body in lowering your uric acid levels. Moreover, grapes contain a lot of vitamins and minerals. These can help your overall health. If you are healthy, you're making it easier for your body to get rid of uric acid on its own. A study from the journal Nutrients found that resveratrol can reduce the production of uric acid by protecting your cells from damage and keeping them healthy. You do not have to eat a lot of grapes just to experience its benefits. Eating 15 to 20 small or medium-sized grapes should be enough. Experts noted that people who eat grapes regularly tend to have fewer gout flare-ups, which means less pain and more comfort. The resveratrol in grapes doesn't just help with uric acid. It's also good for your heart, too. It can help keep your blood pressure in check and support healthy blood flow. So by eating grapes, you're helping your uric acid levels and giving your whole body a boost. At number 6, we have eggplant. What if there's a purple food that can help your uric acid levels, but many people think it's bad for you? It's time to bust a big myth about this misunderstood food. Eggplant is packed with nutrients that can help keep your uric acid levels in check. For starters, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals that support your overall health. It's got vitamin C, vitamin K, and a bunch of B vitamins. These nutrients aren't just good for you in general. They can actually help your body manage gout, which is a condition caused by high uric acid. But the antioxidants that make eggplant special are the substances called niacin and anthocyanins. Niacin helps your body deliver the nutrients inside your cells to keep it healthy and remove waste products. On the other hand, anthocyanins work by preventing inflammation in your body. When your body is less inflamed, it can handle uric acid better. This means it is easier for your body to get rid of extra uric acid. But here's where it gets really interesting. For years, some people thought eggplant might trigger gout attacks. Turns out that's not actually the case. Eggplant has very low levels of purines, substances that can raise uric acid levels. So eggplant is safe for people with gout or high uric acid. If you want to add more eggplant to your meals, you can slice it up and add it to salads for a nice crunch. Or try grilling it as a side dish. It's also great in stir fries. But remember, eggplant alone won't fix your high uric acid levels immediately. Like with any food, it's all about balance. It's just one part of a healthy diet. Coming in at number 5 is purple cabbage. Hidden within the purple leaves of the cabbage is a special compound that fights inflammation. This compound is called cyanidin, a substance that is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for people with high uric levels. When it comes to gout, less inflammation means less pain and fewer flare-ups. It's like giving your body a break from the constant fight against high uric acid. When you consume purple cabbage, it gets nutrients absorbed in your blood. They also work on reducing inflammation throughout your body. This will lessen the excess uric acid that can accumulate in your joints. Research from the journal Open Life Sciences found that purple cabbage can help protect your red blood cells against damage. This means you will be able to excrete toxic waste more easily. Some people with gout have found relief by using cabbage leaves as a topical treatment. They wrap the leaves around their sore joints. If you want to incorporate red cabbages into your diet, you can try shredding them and adding them to salads for a crunchy, colorful boost. Or try sautéing it with a bit of garlic for a warm side dish. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even make purple cabbage chips in the oven for a healthy snack. And of course, there's always the classic coleslaw. Just go easy on the mayo to keep it healthy. It's important to remember that moderation is key. While purple cabbage is generally safe for most people, eating too much of it might cause some gas or bloating. If you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, start with small amounts and gradually increase. At number 4 is the purple sweet potato. Purple sweet potatoes aren't your average spuds. They're packed with special nutrients that can help keep your uric acid levels in check. So what makes these purple potatoes so special? It's all about their unique mix of nutrients. They're loaded with vitamin A, which is an antioxidant. This is great for fighting inflammation and for lowering uric acid levels. Purple sweet potatoes are also rich in anthocyanins. They can fight off harmful molecules and help to lower uric acid levels. This is how it works. The vitamin A in the potatoes starts reducing inflammation right away. Meanwhile, the anthocyanins get to work, helping your body process and get rid of excess uric acid more efficiently. A study from the Journal of Nutrition found that men who ate 150 grams of colored potatoes for a duration of 6 weeks had lower levels of inflammation and cell damage. To add this to your diet plan, roast your purple sweet potatoes in the oven with a bit of olive oil for a tasty side dish, or try mashing them up as a colorful alternative to regular mashed potatoes. For a snack, you can slice them thin and bake them to make healthy purple chips. While orange sweet potatoes are also nutritious, the purple ones have higher levels of those special anthocyanins. So if you want to lower uric acid, the purple variety might give you an extra boost. These purple sweet potatoes are also safe for diabetics with high uric acid. They have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes. This means they don't cause big spikes in blood sugar. Sliding into number 3 are blackberries. Blackberries contain proanthocyanidins and elagitannins that can help keep your uric acid levels in check. They are effective for lowering uric acid because of their anthocyanin content. These little berries work by stopping certain enzymes that help make uric acid. Basically, the anthocyanin's job is to tell your body to stop uric acid production. One study found that people who ate blackberries regularly had less inflammation in their bodies. This is great news for anyone dealing with gout, which is caused by high uric acid levels. So how can you add more blackberries to your diet? Try adding them to your morning cereal or yogurt. They're also great in smoothies. Just remember, fresh or frozen blackberries are best. Avoid blackberry jams or jellies, which often have added sugars. If you're allergic to other berries, you might want to be careful with blackberries. Also, if you're taking blood thinners, check with your doctor before eating a lot of blackberries. They contain vitamin K, which can affect how these medicines work. But don't let that scare you off. For most people, adding blackberries to their diet is a delicious and healthy choice. They're not just good for fighting high uric acid, they're also great for your overall health. They're full of fiber, which is good for your digestion, and antioxidants that help protect your cells. Number 2 on the list is plums. Plums contain nutrients that can help keep your uric acid in check. They contain something called potassium. This mineral helps your body get rid of extra uric acid more easily. Moreover, they contain compounds called polyphenols that can inhibit certain enzymes in your body that are involved in the production of uric acid. This blocking action of the polyphenols prevents gout from forming. A study in the journal Foods found that 60 micrograms per 1 milliliter of plum extract polyphenols is the target dose. This dose will exhibit the most effective anti-inflammatory activity of this fruit. Some people think plums are too high in sugar and might make gout worse. While plums do have natural sugars, they also have fiber. This fiber helps slow down how fast the sugar gets into your blood. Plus, the benefits of the potassium and polyphenols outweigh any concerns about the sugar content. If you opt to consume real fruit instead of an extract, experts suggest eating 1 to 2 medium-sized plums a day to get the most benefit. There are a lot of ways to add plums to your anti-high uric acid diet. Like blackberries, you can add chopped plums to your cereal or yogurt. If you like to cook, try adding sliced plums to a salad for a sweet twist. You can even make a plum sauce to go with your dinner. Remember that plums work best when you eat them along with other healthy foods and stay active. Finally, at number 1 is the purple carrot. Purple carrots are very important, especially for people battling with inflammation. Just like the other examples mentioned in this video, the purple color of a fruit or vegetable indicates that there may be a presence of anthocyanins. So unlike their orange cousins, purple carrots have a large amount of anthocyanins that can address inflammation. Anthocyanins help fight inflammation by lowering harmful compounds in the body, such as pro-inflammatory cytokines. Aside from anthocyanins, these carrots also contain polyphenol antioxidants like chlorogenic acid. These compounds can protect you from certain cancers, heart diseases, and support your overall health. Studies have shown that people who eat foods high in anthocyanins, like purple carrots, may help lower uric acid levels by also lowering the enzymes that cause inflammation in the body. So, in what ways can you eat more purple carrots? You can slice them up and eat them raw as a snack. You can include them in salads, adding a pop of color and a sweet crunch. And if you want something to drink, you can juice them too. It's always a good idea to start slow when you're adding new foods to your diet. Some people might find that eating a lot of carrots can cause a bit of gas or bloating. And there you have it, the 7 purple foods to stop high uric acid. Purple grapes, eggplant, purple cabbage, purple sweet potatoes, blackberries, plums, and purple carrots. Remember, these foods work best as part of a balanced diet. They're not magic cures, but they can be powerful allies in managing your uric acid levels. So go ahead, add some purple power to your plate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest health tips and tricks. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these purple foods will you add to your diet to help lower uric acid? Or do you have a favorite remedy that works for you? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. And if you like to show your gratitude, please consider sending us a super thanks or checking out our merchandise. Your support allows us to continue creating informative content and spreading awareness about important health topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.